Yo, what's up, you guys? Flip phones in 2023. If y'all still like flip phones, check this Flip Pro out, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. This flip phone is the TCL. It's got a camera. It's got everything that you need. You know what I'm saying? It's got, the old school buttons, everything. It got the time. It's also got mobile hotspot. It's under Verizon. So with Verizon Plus, for only like $60 auto pay, you can get pretty much everything, unlimited everything. Pretty good. Yeah. This looks like